Ever wondered how a simple tree could potentially solve common health issues? Welcome to the world of natural remedies, where we explore the incredible health benefits of a tree native to North America, the slippery elm. The slippery elm, or Ulmus rubra, is not just a tree. It's a powerhouse of health benefits, a hidden gem in the realm of herbal medicine. Its inner bark, when dried and powdered, is a treasure trove of nutrients and medicinal properties that can be a game changer in the pursuit of wellness. So, what makes the slippery elm stand out? First, it's a digestive hero. This age-old remedy is known for its ability to soothe the digestive tract. It can aid in alleviating problems like acid reflux, gastritis, and bowel disorders. It acts as a gentle laxative, easing constipation and promoting regular bowel movements. Next, the slippery elm is an amazing immune booster. The bark contains antioxidants that help enhance the body's defense against common colds, flu, and other infections. It's like a natural shield, ready to protect you from those pesky health invaders. Thirdly, slippery elm's anti-inflammatory properties deserve a standing ovation. It can help combat inflammatory conditions like arthritis, making it an ideal natural remedy for those dealing with chronic pain. Finally, let's not forget its role in skin health. The mucilage, or the gel-like substance that forms when slippery elm bark is mixed with water, can soothe irritated or inflamed skin. It can be applied topically as a poultice for wounds, burns, rashes, and even insect bites. Now let's summarize this journey into the world of slippery elm. It's a powerhouse of health benefits, from aiding digestion, boosting the immune system, combating inflammation, to promoting skin health. It's like nature's all-in-one pharmacy, packed into the bark of a tree. Remember, while the slippery elm offers a multitude of health benefits, it's essential to consult with a healthcare provider or a professional herbalist before adding it to your routine. While it's a powerful natural remedy, it may not be suitable for everyone, especially those with certain medical conditions or those on specific medications. So, the next time you're pondering about natural remedies for common health issues, think slippery elm. It's more than just a tree. It's a natural pharmacy, ready to improve your health and wellness.